Hello and welcome to Rising Voice English. Take a deep breath. Today, you will practice English for daily life. You do not need perfect grammar. You do not need big vocabulary. You need practice. English improves with daily speaking. Today, we will practice morning routine English, at-home conversation, at-work conversation, meeting new people, telephone English, shopping, problem solving, evening conversation, confidence building. Speak after each sentence. Pause. Repeat again. Let's begin. Part 1. Morning routine English. Good morning. I wake up at 6 a.m. I turn off the alarm. I sit up slowly. I stretch my arms. I open the window. The air feels fresh. I feel a little sleepy, but I want to start my day strong. I go to the bathroom. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I look in the mirror. Today will be a good day. I take a shower. The water is warm. I feel awake now. I get dressed. I choose simple clothes. I check my phone. I read messages. I do not stay too long on my phone. I go to the kitchen. I prepare breakfast. I make tea. I eat bread and eggs. I sit quietly. I think about my goals. Today I will speak English. Today I will improve. Now say it again. Today I will improve my English. Very good. Part 2. Talking with family. Good morning. Did you sleep well? Yes, I slept well. How about you? I slept late. I was tired. Are you ready for today? Yes, I am ready. What is your plan today? I have work. I have school. I have meetings. That sounds busy. Yes, but I can manage. Do you need anything? No, thank you. Have a good day. You too. See you later. Simple sentences are powerful. Practice them daily. Part 3. Going to work. I leave the house at 7:30. I lock the door. I walk to the bus stop. The street is busy. Many people are going to work. I wait for the bus. The bus arrives. I get on the bus. Good morning. Good morning. Is this seat free? Yes, it is free. Thank you. You're welcome. I look outside the window. The city is active. People are walking fast. I arrive at work. I greet my colleagues. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. How are you today? I am fine. I am doing well. I am a little tired. That's okay. Let's start the day. Part 4. At work conversation. Can you help me? Yes, of course. What do you need? I need this report. I will send it now. Please check your email. I received it. Thank you. You're welcome. Do you have a meeting today? Yes, at 10 a.m. Let's prepare. Good idea. Simple, clear, professional. Now repeat. I will send it now. Please check your email. Very good. Part 5. Meeting new people. Hello. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. What is your name? My name is Daniel. What is your name? My name is Sarah. Where are you from? I am from America. What do you do? I am a teacher. That's great. How long have you worked there? For 5 years. That's impressive. Thank you. It is nice talking to you. Same here. We should stay in touch. Here is my contact. Thank you. Simple communication builds strong connection. Part 6. Telephone English. Hello, this is Daniel speaking. Hello, Daniel. This is Sarah. Do you have a minute? Yes, I do. How can I help you? I want to confirm our meeting. Yes, it is at 3 p.m. Thank you for confirming. No problem. See you later. Goodbye. Practice phone voice clearly. Speak slowly. Part 7. Shopping English. Good afternoon. Can I help you? Yes, I am looking for a shirt. What size? Medium. What color do you prefer? Blue or black? Here you are. Can I try it? Yes, the fitting room is there. It fits well. How much is it? It is $25. I will take it. How would you like to pay? By card. Thank you. Have a nice day. Shopping English is simple. Be clear. Be direct. Part 8. Problem solving. Excuse me? There is a small problem. What happened? I received the wrong item. I am sorry about that. Let me check. Thank you for your patience. We will fix it. I appreciate that. Clear communication solves problems fast. Part 9. Evening routine. I arrive home. I feel tired. But I feel proud. I worked hard today. I change my clothes. I sit down. How was your day? It was productive. I learned something new. That's great. What did you learn? I learned new English words. Wonderful. Keep practicing. I eat dinner. I relax. I read a book. I review my English. I practice speaking. I look at myself in the mirror. I say, I am improving every day. I am becoming confident. I can speak English. Say it again. I can speak English. Confidence grows with repetition. Part 10. Daily confidence practice. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Do not rush. Mistakes are normal.